Good afternoon. So this is the program for interfacing of DAC with 8051. So DAC means what? Digital to analog converter. So digital to analog converter using Intel 8051 microcontroller, and we will see the sine wave generation using the DAC. So the digital to analog converter, that is DAC, it is a device which is widely used for converting digital pulse to analog pulse. It is widely used for converting a digital pulse to analog signals. So there are two methods of converting digital signal to analog signals. So these two methods are binary weighted So these two methods are binary weighted method and R by 2R ladder method. Binary weighted and R by 2R ladder method. So this chip uses R by 2R ladder method, and this method can achieve a much higher degree of precision. The DAC are judged by its resolution. The resolution is a function of the number of binary input, and the most common input counts are 8, 10 and 12, etc. So the number of data input decides the resolution of DAC. So if there are n digital input pin, there are 2 raised to n analog signal. So 8 input DAC has 256 discrete voltage levels. So if there are n digital input pin, there are 2 raised to n analog levels. So 8 input DAC has 256 discrete voltage levels. MC1408 DAC or DAC 0808. So here in this chip, the digital inputs are converted to the current, and the output current is known as I out. The output current is known as I out by connecting a resistor to the output to convert into voltage. So total current is provided by I out pin, which is basically a function of binary number at the input pins D0 to D7. Now D0 is LSB, that is lowest significant bit, and D7 is MSB, that is most significant. Reference current is I reference. So here is a formula which shows the function of the I out. So this formula shows a function of I out. Now what is I reference? I reference is the input current and this must be provided into the pin 14. I out is what? I reference is what? I reference is input current and it is provided into the pin number 14. So generally 2 milliampere is used as a I reference. Now generally 2 milliampere is used as a I reference. Value of I reference is 2 milliampere. So we connect the I out pin to the resistor to convert the current to voltage, but in real life it may cause inaccuracies since the input output it may cause inaccuracy since the input resistance of the load will also affect the output voltage. Input resistance of load will affect the output voltage. So practically I reference current input is isolated by connecting it to the op-amp with R reference of 5 kilo ohm. So R reference is RF is feedback resistor. And the feedback resistor value can be changed as per the requirement. Now generating a sine wave using DAC and 8051 microcontroller. So for generating a sine wave, first we need a lookup table to represent the magnitude of the sine wave of the angles between 0 to 360 degree. First what we need? We need a lookup table. For what lookup table is required? To represent the magnitude of the sine wave of the angle between 0 to 360 degree. Now the sine function varies from -1 to +1. So in table only integer values are applicable for DAC input, and we will consider 30 degree increment and calculate the values from degree to DAC input, and we are assuming a full scale voltage of 10 volt for DAC output, and we can use the formula to get the voltage range as V out equal to 5 volt plus 5 into sin theta. Now here is the lookup table which shows according to the angle and other parameters for the DAC. Now the first column shows the angle in theta, that is 0, 30, 60, 90 up to 360 degree. Then value of sin theta is given here. Then the voltage magnitude, that is V out, also given here using above formula. Then values which are sent to the DAC are shown. So this is the lookup table which shows according to the angle and the parameters for the DAC. So there are different values for the different angles, that is from 0 to 360 degree. And the formula to find the V out, that is voltage magnitude, is given here. It is 5 volt plus 5 into sin theta. Now this diagram shows, this is a circuit diagram for the interfacing of DAC with 8051. So crystal oscillator is shown here. Then the op-amp is also given here. The pins are connected, port pins are connected between the ADC, between the 8051 and the DAC. Port pins P0 of 8051 are connected to the DAC pins A2 to A5. So this is a circuit diagram of interfacing of the DAC and 8051. Then next is the source code. So the source code is very simple and short. So hash include, then SFR ADC 0x80. 0x80, this is a port P0 address. We have already seen in the diagram that the port 0 pins of the 8051 are connected to the DAC. So these are port P0 address. Then void main sign value in I while loop. So infinite loop for LED blinking. Infinite loop is for, this is for LED blinking. Then for loop is used and DAC is the sign value of I. And the output will look like this diagram. So this is a simple program, or we can say a source code, and the output will look like this. So you just write down this code.